afternoon. Thank you for calling Irish Water. This is Laura speaking. Could I get an account number or WPN off you, please?
No, you're okay.
Is there anything I can help you with now today?
I just have a couple of questions for you.
Yeah, no problem at all.
I was just wondering there, I want to send in my bill, and I was just wondering where do I send it to?
You want to send in your bill?
Yeah.
As in you want to pay the bill?
Yeah.
Okay, well there's a number of different payment methods for paying the bill. You can pay it in the post office, you can pay by cheque, you can pay online using online account management.
Online?
Yeah, you can pay online.
Jesus. Okay, so, and what's your website?
Water.ie is our website.
Okay. And how's it going in there?
Sorry, I don't understand the question.
Are people paying it or what? There's fair enough complaints around the country, don't you think?
Yeah, I'm sorry, no, I actually can't disclose any information like that now.
I hear now a lot of people are signing on like every day, you know?
Okay. Again, I'm sorry about this now, I can't actually disclose any information like that.
And did you get your bonuses yet?
But I don't know what bonuses you're on. You mean,
I read in the newspaper there that you're supposed to be getting some bonuses, but they didn't give them to you?
No, not that I'm aware of anyway. Is there anything else I can help you with now today, like regarding your bill or anything like that?
No, that's fine,
Okay, no problem at all. Well, thanks a million for calling Irish Water and have a good day.
You too.
Bye.